HTML paragraph tag. The paragraph always start a new line and usually block of text. So HTML paragraphs, the HTML P element define the paragraph. So now this is a P, the P tag, the P tag, the P element, the P element define a paragraph. Let's say example. So use the P. This is a paragraph. This is another P tag. This is uh, this is another paragraph. So two paragraphs. Now see the output. This is a paragraph. This is another paragraph. So you cannot sure how HTML will display large or smaller screen. So browser automatically remove any extra spaces and line when the page is displayed. For example, this is a paragraph. So contain a lot of lines in the source code, but the browser ignore it. Ignore it. Now see the output. See, the page is a paragraph contain lot of lines in the source code, but its browser ignore it. That meaning is in this paragraph automatically remove the spaces and no line. But in my case, I want to in the paragraph I want to add some new line. Okay, there is a beautiful another tag is br tag. For example, so I want to add a tag. I want to start with the new line. Use the br tag here. Now see the output. So this is a paragraph contain lot of line. After that, what happened? 1 second. So I want to close this one. So now see, this is a paragraph contain lot of lines. After this, the new line is started. Okay. So for example, if you add a new paragraph inside that with some new line, so add a divider like that using a HR tag. There is a HR tag just to display the paragraph like this. This is a paragraph contain lot of lines in the source code, comma. After that, this tag is giving the line between the two content, but the browser ignore it. So here see, the initially the paragraph ignore all the white space and everything, but so using the br tag, the paragraph is line is start from the new line using the br tag. Using the hr tag, it divide the content with the new line. So this is the paragraph in the HTML.